I just got the viral coldest water bottle. I was influenced, so we're gonna go ahead and see if this thing is worth it. Stick around to the end to find out. All right, I finally folded. I got myself one of these coldest water bottles. I actually got two, one for me, one for my girlfriend, but I want to test these out. I've seen all these viral TikToks about how good this thing is with keeping ice cold, so we're gonna go ahead and test that today to see if this is really worth the hype.
I'm going to start off, this thing looks pretty beautiful. Here's the hole for the straw, and you also get these two other lids for it, which is kind of nice. So if you're not a person who likes straws, you can have your little flip top, which is kind of great. Now you can see right here, it is currently 77 degrees. Now I figured if we really want to test this, we might as well use some nugget ice, as this is going to be the easiest ice to melt. Now we got it all filled up with some ice here, so we're going to go ahead and go outside real quick. All right, we're out here. We're going to go ahead and plop this thing down. As you can see, again, there's still ice in the actual thing. So we're going to come back here in a few hours while this thing's been sitting all day out in the sun. And we're going to see exactly if this thing holds up to the test. Alrighty, we are back. I got a temperature gun here just so we can see how hot the outside of the water bottle is. And you can see here, 94. Let's see if it stays. About 90, we'll say 92, 90 degrees. Around 90, we'll say 92 degrees on the outside. And drum roll, please. It does still have ice. This was outside in the sun for about 2 hours, and there is still a ton of ice. As you guys can hear, it's just a giant ice block at this point. Now, I gotta say, Coldest, you definitely won me over. This thing is impressive, being able to stay outside